Many candidates, especially the ones who appear in the competitive examination, write irrelevant answers to the questions and fail. To me, one of the most damaging factors is their inability to comprehend the nature of the question. What? I mean to say that the very first and basic point is to understand the question perfectly. The question the candidate decides to attempt. But unfortunately, the poor comprehension of the question results in display of irrelevant data in the answer. How? I'm going to show you the question phrases. Look at them minutely and decide which data the examiner wants you to write, to display in the paper. Let's begin. Describe, define, state, discuss, narrate, explain, illustrate, elucidate, substantiate, identify, delineate, explore, trace, outline, highlight, summarize, address, comment, assess, analyze, evaluate, elaborate, enumerate, examine, compare and contrast. Do you agree? Give an account of. The other 15 some other day, inshallah. Let's try to comprehend the most repeated 8 phrases out of these 27. Describe. If you describe a person, place, thing, activity, or idea, you say what they are like or what happened. Explain. To make something clear to understand or to make something easy to understand. How? By describing the thing, by giving information about it, by giving details about it, by giving people reasons for it. Discuss. It's you to talk about or write about a subject in detail, especially considering different ideas and opinions related to it. Why? In order to reach a decision. Comment. It's you to give your opinion about the topic, subject, statement, line, or give an explanation for it. Assess. To judge or decide the amount of something. To judge or assess the value of something. To judge or decide the quality of something, or to judge or decide the importance of something. When you assess a person, thing, or situation, you consider them in order to make a judgment about them. When you assess the amount of money that something is worth or should be paid, you calculate or estimate it. Evaluate. To judge the quality, importance, amount, or value of something or someone. If you evaluate someone or something, you consider them in order to make a judgment about them. For example, about how good or bad they are. There's a difference between assessment and evaluation. What's that? Read it, please. Pause the video. No. Type the question, if any, in the comment section of our channel. Analyze. To separate a thing, idea into its parts so as to find out their nature, proportion, function, interrelationship, etc. Examine. To look at a person or thing carefully and in detail. To consider a person or thing carefully and in detail. Why? In order to discover something about them. Our selection for you, a test. The test, it shall help you in assessing your comprehension of the talk which I gave, with the intention to make you comprehend the nature of the question, which to me is the base, as whatever you write in the test, in the paper, it should be according to the nature, the requirement the examiner wants you to write. Read each question minutely, comprehend it, and decide what the examiner wants you to write. Display the required data in a written or typed form. Get it evaluated by the expert concerned, as we believe that there is always room for improvement. Try to be more focused on the highlighted areas you are required to improve. How? Very simple. By being more systematic and doing smart work. Wish you good luck. Thank you. See you soon, inshallah.